Next, I'm going to go over the HealthMaster's digital control panel. I'll explain to you what each button does and how to use each setting to make different foods and drinks. Let's start with the basics. First, the on-off button. Push once for on. The button lights up red when the HealthMaster is on, and once again for off. The run button. After pressing the on button, press the run button to start the blender. The button lights up blue when activated. If the speed and timer were not set, the blender will run at speed 1. You must press run again to stop. Speed selection. Use the plus and minus buttons to select the speed, number 1 to 8. To demonstrate the speed buttons, let's make a drink we call Montel's Top 5 because it has 5 servings of vegetables. We're going to add all the ingredients into the HealthMaster. Secure the lid. Press the power button. Then press the run button. The speed control is preset to 1. After 5 seconds, increase the speed to 8 until blended. The time buttons. Use the plus and the minus buttons to select the amount of minutes you want the HealthMaster to run continuously. The range is from 0 to 30 minutes. For example, let's say you want to make vegetable soup. The recipe calls for a specific time to prepare, which is level 8 for 8 minutes. I just put all of the ingredients into the pitcher, place the lid on top, making sure I hear it lock. Press the power button. Set the time for 8 minutes. And hit the run button. After a couple of seconds, adjust to level 8 on the speed. After just 8 minutes, the timer shuts the machine off. Take the lid off, remove the pitcher, and have a hot bowl of delicious vegetable soup. The pulse button allows you to press and release in order to get a single burst of speed for each pulse until you've achieved your desired results. The button lights up blue when activated. For example, you would use this to make apple spice cake in the recipe book. Place all of the ingredients except for the nuts into the HealthMaster. For best blending, add the wet ingredients first. Press the run button after you turn the machine on. After a few seconds, gradually increase the speed to 8 until blended. Turn the machine off and remove the lid. Add the almonds, or you could use walnuts or pecans, and replace the lid. Turn the machine on, pulse 3 times. Then, just pour everything into a cake pan and bake it at 350 degrees for 45 minutes.